supported our fellowship night and variety show today. Thank you on behalf of all the officers of ACMS. Thank you so much.
Especially sa ating mga mas nag-support, no? Hindi lang yung mga sa staff, kundi kahit din yung sa mga secretaries namin. Sina Ate Fe, Ate Glenda, maraming salamat sila. Ang talagang nagtrabaho. Auxiliary, si Ma'am Suzette, si Ma'am TJ, tsaka mga kasama nila, and yung other board members. At saka po yung mga hospitals, no? Sacred Heart, AUF, St. Catherine, RS Clinic, thank you very much, Dr. Reyes. Kahit napaka-iksi ng notice namin sa inyo, nag-perform si Cheska, and thank you very much for that. Kahit ang St. Raphael, City Health Office.
Mga judges.
Of course, yung mga judges, may dala pa silang bonus. So, thank you very much kay...
Let's give a big hand. Ang galing nila. Sila nagdala ng show. Galing, mag-comments. Alright. Mga MC namin.
Henson Clinic at saka yung program niya na WhatsApp.
Oh, WhatsApp
Thank you very much.
nga pala, WhatsApp Nasa TV tayo.
Sponsors. Of course, SM also. Thank you sa SM and Dr. Pasumban. Dr. Edwin Pasumban. Salamat.
Raffle. Okay, number 059. 059.
059.
Once.
Congratulations po.
DTI pasado, no?
Bagong lahat, thank you din kay Mitch at saka kay
Ay,
Edsel.
kumalakpak kayo. Palakpak niyo ako.
At saka kay Jay.
Bakit?
Jay Lazarte. Thank you very much.
We would like to thank other sponsors, Pharma Company, LRI,
LRI, ang Solvay Pharma, Servier, Teramedic, Sanofi, syempre Merck, Zydus Pharma, ang Medispa and SM Cinema.
yes. Palakpakan naman natin ating mga sponsors. Palakpakan natin si Mr. Terry Honor, merong bonus, merong special
That's a
number.
bonus number.
Ayan. Magandang gabi. Palakpakan po tayo. Actually, hindi po ako dapat judge. Meron po kaming election po ng officers ng board members league sa Region 3. Diyan po sa Clark. Tapos kaya na po nandiyan ako sa baba, namimili. Sabi ni Mare, Mare, saan ka? Sa SM. Hanggang oras ka? Di may meeting tayo mamaya. Sige, may pupuntahan tayo. Dito ako tingnan lang. Yun ang judge na. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between a lover and the love you leave behind. You had for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time.
City Health Office, punta na po kayo sa harap as we call your hospital. Henson Clinic and WhatsApp Doc Program.
Notes and Rhythms, Sacred Heart Medical Center,
St. Catherine of Alexandria Medical Center.
and St. Raphael Foundation Medical Center.
Palakpakan po natin sila.
good evening po. And thank you very much sa pagdating. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as we did. Okay? And we're here to thank yung mga participants po natin. This plaque of appreciation from the Angeles City Medical Society, component of the Philippine Medical Association, is hereby given to Angeles University Foundation and Medical Center for its exemplary support in ACMS advocacy for friendship and camaraderie. Signed by our President, Dr. Chito Arcibido, myself as Vice President, Secretary, Dr. Renea Gowinco, and our Treasurer, Dr. Joel Patawagan. Another plaque of appreciation is given to the Angeles City Health Office. Another plaque of appreciation to Henson Clinic and the program WhatsApp Doc. Again, plaque of appreciation to Sacred Heart Medical Center.
Okay, palakpakan si Doktora. Palakpak. Mas palakpakan si Doktora. Okay. Hindi nagpapaalam, baka hindi kasama.
Anyway, we would like to thank our panel of judges for tonight. Wala pong bayad dito. Anyway, pasalamatan po natin sila. They gave us, napasaya ng gusto actually, no? Yung ating show for tonight because of their comments. Okay? So first, I would like to read yung plaque of appreciation for the variety show. So, Angeles City Medical Society, a component of the Philippine Medical Association. So, the title of our variety show is Kami Ang Sikat, ACMS Goes Showtime. One of the board of judges, let us all give a round of applause to Mr. Roderick Meneses. Another plaque of appreciation. Ito po, kaklase ko ito noong high school. Napakagaling. Artista na rin. Okay. Mr. Andre Champo.
Ikuha mo lang, ha? Ha? Away, yun na.
Okay. Our next judge po is actually a judge by chance lang naman. Namamasyal lang siya, napasama na siya dito sa atin.
Basta po daw nangyari na yun, muli na. Wah!
So, pero you have to admit na lalong sumaya ang ating variety show because of him. It's very honor. And of course, the last but not the least, the judges. A round of applause to Honorable Councilor Maricel Morales.
Sure, kasama rin kami, Doc. Picture. Chance mo na to, picture.
Okay, magandang gabi po. So the best male performer for tonight is from the last group, number 5, Dr. Hernan Tulud.
Wow, palakpakan si Doktor.
I'm glowing.
Congratulations, Doc.
Okay.
Thank you po to the audience who helped me out, especially the wait.
Congratulations, Doc. And now for our best female performer, sila po yung talagang nag-effort na makipagsayawan sa mga mas bata sa kanila. Okay, so sila po yung kala namin nanay-nanayan na sexiness from St. Catherine. We are not sure of her name, pero siya yung nagpapakita ng legs. Maybe call on her po. Mrs. Miss Rosana De Jesus.
Si Madam. Paano si Madam? Next award.
Okay, so for best costume, may ano dito may side comment. Because of their Bellstar dancers costume, hehehe. Best in costume goes to group number 1, Sacred Heart.
Wow! Palakpakan! Asan yung mga Bellstar? Kailangan suot nyo pa rin yung costume nyo, ha? Sexy ni ate, oh. Ay, taray. May ganon. Picture? Thank you, ha. Supportive kayo. Next award.
And ang ating darling of the crowd is group number... Number 4, Saint
Sige na. Sino representative?
Paksipoy.
Darling of the ACMS ka na, Doktor.
Picture ulit.
Natawag na ba lahat? Sino hindi natawag? Ay, sayang. Next year ulit. Better luck next time. Ganun talaga. Sometimes you win. Well, okay, our best group performer, AWEL!
Bakit na kayo? At least di sayang ang makeup nyo, di ba? Tsaka yung magpapariband mo, te. Ganda pa ng bangs mo. Once again, palakpakan natin yung AUF.
So thank you very much for attending our Showtime variety show, Kami Ang Sikat.